How to make your own booking website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how you can create your own booking website, schedule appointments online very easily with a platform. So let's get started. Today I am going to be using acuityscheduling.com to create a scheduling website, which is super easy to use. So what you have to do is you will simply come to acuityscheduling.com and you will land on this platform right here. If you do not have any idea about Acuity, well, Acuity is an amazing platform that allows you to add scheduling and appointment option to your website. Any website that you already have, you can simply add your Acuity to it because it's a scheduling platform that allows you to sign your calendars. You can accept online payments. They offer more than just appointments. You can add coupons, you can add packages, memberships, and much more. Then you can customize everything the way you want to. You can share it on your social media as well. So this is the basic view of Acuity. So I will show you how to create a booking website with it. So what you have to do is you simply sign up for your Acuity scheduling. Simply click on try it out now and you will be able to sign up for your Acuity. And if you have not signed up for Acuity, you simply have to sign up for your Squarespace. Acuity works with Squarespace. It's kind of like a scheduling integration with that, but you can also add Acuity to other websites as well. So I have already signed up for my Squarespace, so I will simply click on log in. The sign up process, if you are wondering, is really easy. You just have to sign up with your Google account or your email address. Once you have that, then you are good to go. So I have opened up my website right here. I have created this website. This was like a demo website on Squarespace. What you have to do is you simply go to squarespace.com and you create your own website. Well, this is the editor of Squarespace. This is what the Squarespace editor looks like. I can simply go ahead and edit my website. This is a simple website that I am creating right now. So that is it for the website. But now the question is that we want to create a scheduling website. We want to create a booking website. So for that, we have our Acuity, right? So I have signed up to Acuity. That is why I have the scheduling option right here. So I will simply click on scheduling and that will allow me to create a booking website and I will be able to accept the appointments. So this is where I will be setting up my scheduling feature and I will be adding my Acuity to my website and I can actually do a lot with it. So we get a lot of different options to create our booking website and there are different things that are really important. The first thing is we have to set an availability, like when you will be open for appointments. That's really important. Then we have the option to create the appointment types, like what kind of appointments you are going to do. These are new services. Is there any coupon, any add-ons? So that is really important. Then we have different packages and gifts and subscriptions, and then you have to sign in with your calendar, and then our payment settings are also really important. So let's start with the process. The first step you have to do while setting up your booking website is going to be setting up your availability, that when you will be available. With Acuity, it's super easy to do. What you have to do is you simply click on availability option, and after that you just have to set up your availability. So we have set hours of availability and then we have client scheduling limits. So if I go for regular hours every week, because that's really important, we can go for regular hours. Right now I have Monday, which is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. How you add this time? You simply click on I have regular hours every week. Now I am available on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So my time on Monday is 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Now I want to add a time on Tuesday as well. So let's go ahead. How to add a time? You simply type it in. So I'm going to add the same time right here, which is going to be 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And I will click on save regular hours and it will be saved. Now, on Wednesday, let's just say on Wednesday, I kind of like want to go for extra hour for some of the clients, like this is going to be a gift or I have a special appointment for somebody and that is like after hour. Let's go for after hour and I'm gonna go for 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So what happened here is that I have added one more hour for a special appointment for somebody, and they can also go for two appointments in a week. So that is how it is going to work. That is just to show you that you can add different timing on each day. So simply click on save regular hours and they will be saved. Now on every Wednesday, I will have 1 extra hour. Once you have saved it, you can see right here that it will be shown right here that my timing is this. On Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, this is for me. Then what you have to do is you can also go for limits, like limits, different limits that we have to add. Let's just say like do not allow clients to cancel or reschedule appointments less than 36 hours before. They have to tell me that they're going to be canceling it. Then 1 appointment per slot, this is good. Accept payments until we are full. Accept maximum payments per day. So I'm gonna go for accept payments until we are fully booked. Simply click on save limits and they will be saved. Now we have the next step, which is going to be create appointment types. We have different types of appointments. You can see right here we have types, add-ons and coupons. You can also add coupons. In coupons, you simply add the limit, you add the price, you add the discount, you add the code, and you're good to go. In add-ons, you can simply add different add-on appointments and different types of services that you provide. To add a new service, simply click on new type of service and it will allow you to add a new type of service into your website. Let's go with therapy this time. So let's just say I have a therapy session, so I'm going to go for a therapy, and then the duration is going to be 60 minutes. There you go. And the price for this one is going to be $45 per hour. Perfect. And now I have to add an image. If you want to add any image, you can just simply go ahead and choose a file from your computer. Then we have the access, which is public and private. Clients can book this on scheduling page. Like anybody around the world can open up my website and they can schedule an appointment. And then we have the private, which says only admins and clients with the direct scheduling link will be able to do. So sometimes we kind of like go for private because we don't want it to be open on public, and we just offer our services to the admins and clients and customers that we trust. So we can go for private or public. I am going for private. You can also go with public. Simply click on create appointment type. Once you have done that, after that you have add scheduling to your website. This is really important. This is where we actually add our Acuity to our website. The website that I opened in the start, my Squarespace website, right? So what I will do is you will actually find a lot of option on Acuity that is actually pretty impressive. We get Squarespace, we get direct link, we get booking buttons, we get booking bars, embed others, and client app. I can simply connect my Acuity to my Squarespace. I can go for a direct link that I will add to my website. Then we have a booking button. I really like this option. So on our websites, whenever we are creating different websites, for example, on Squarespace, on Wix, or WordPress, we can add different buttons. And these buttons have the option to add link, right? Because sometimes we add links to our articles, we add links to our YouTube channel or whatever. So you can add a link to your scheduling Acuity page. So what you have to do is simply copy this one right here. Simply click on copy and it will be copied. After that, what you have to do is when you will be creating a website, simply go ahead and embed this code to your website. Then we have booking bar as well. You can actually create a bar on your website. This depends on your platform, the platform you're using. If it has an option of booking bar, then you can simply go ahead and add this link to your booking bar. So Acuity has created this according to your settings and you can just simply add it to your website. After that, all you have to do is you simply publish and launch your website as a booking website and start accepting appointments. Another thing that you have to do is sign with your calendar. You can add any calendar. You get a lot of different options. I have added my Google Calendar because everybody has one. You get it with your Google account and it becomes really easy for you to manage. You can set different appointments, and the calendar that you will be getting in your Acuity will be Google Calendar. That's like simple. You can integrate these calendars into your Acuity to manage your booking website better. So once you have added all the information, then you are good to go. You have created your own booking website with Acuity.com. That is super easy to use and super fun process as well. So yeah guys, if I was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.